remember summer nights, the cicadas loud and clear, back in our quiet town when my future felt so near. We'd walk along the river under soft familiar glow, every secret whispered, every seed of love to sow. You had dreams of the city lights, a different, bigger view, and I promised I would follow, chasing you through day and night. Didn't know then the distance wasn't just miles on the map, but a chasm growing slowly, leaving nowhere to go back. Felt the shift in your voice, like a static on the line, hesitation lingering, a promise starting to decline. And I held on to every word, every memory we made, blind to the cracks appearing as our fragile world decayed. So I stood on the platform watching that bus pull away, not just carrying you, but carrying our yesterday. This place where you live, it became a constant name, a reminder of the choices, the promises we'd break. I gave you every reason, every sacrifice I knew, but my best wasn't enough to keep your heart from changing hue. Now it's just highway lights and fading lights leading me astray, and the echo of your laughter slowly starts to fray. Remember that old spot where we carved our names in wood? Thought that moment etched forever, misunderstood. I sent you messages filled with hope and stories from my day. Imagined you were real, never drifting far away. But a picture you once sent me, blurred by city haze, felt colder than the winter through those unfamiliar days. Maybe I should have seen it, the way your eyes grew dim, that I was just a chapter on a distant fading web. Felt a shift in your voice, like a static on the line, a hesitation lingering, a promise starting to decline.